Hello students of 5th grade. This is Miss Mary and this video is about the review of units 3 and 4. So this week you are going to do the review. So what materials do you need for this video? For this video you need your class book and you need your notebook. We are going to do activities 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the notebook, and activity 6 you are going to record a voice message using Padlet here in this speaking wall. In a different video I will explain how to do this, so don't worry. Let's move on to the class book. So first of all, the objectives of this week are to review the vocabulary of units 3 and 4 and also the grammar. And we are going to talk and write about Oxford and Cambridge. And you are going to have an extra practice in reading, listening, and speaking. So let's start. Please, I want you to focus here on the map of United Kingdom. Remember that United Kingdom is the name of the country. It's not England. England is like a province or something like that. So focus on the map of United Kingdom, and can you find Oxford and Cambridge? Oxford is here and Cambridge is here. So both Oxford and Cambridge are known for being university towns, and both have big old universities in them. The universities are both more than 800 years old, and they are the oldest in the United Kingdom. They are sometimes collectively known as Oxbridge. There is a traditional rivalry between the two, so they are like in a competition, and this also goes back many centuries. This competition is old. As cities, Oxford and Cambridge are both very beautiful and contain some beautiful old buildings. I invite you to search on internet and look for photos about Cambridge and Oxford. They are really beautiful cities. So now it's time to pick up your notebook. Write the date on the top. The title will be Review 2 and Oxford and Cambridge. You have here the title, so copy this in your notebook and then copy activity 2. What do you need to do in activity 2? You need to look at the photos. Can you see A, B, C, D, E, and F? So copy activity 2 and copy these words like this. So copy in your notebook. Riding a bike, leave a space, rowing, university, C.S. Lewis, Lewis Carroll, and J.R.R. Tolkien. And what you need to do is look for this in the photos. So who is riding a bike? Look for the photos, and I can see this man riding a bike. So what you need to do here is to write next to riding a bike A. The same with all of them. Who is or who are rowing? In which photo there is a university? Which photo is this person? Who is this person and who is this person? If you can see them in the photos. That's activity number 2. Activity number 3, the same. Copy in the notebook activity 3. And now it's time to read these 4 texts, as you can see. So you need to read them and find and answer these questions. So you need to copy these 2 questions in the notebook. Copy the first one What can you visit in Oxford and Cambridge? The information is here. And number 2, what sports can you play at Oxford and Cambridge University? That's about activity 3. Activity 4, you need to copy the questions. Copy the questions as well. And look for the information in the text. So, can you visit if you don't like sport? How many sports clubs are there? Where is the Oxford-Cambridge boat race? Which author's house is near Peggy's house? And which books is Peggy reading at the moment? Where is the information? In the text as well. So if you need, you can read them again. Activity 5, you need to read these sentences and copy the sentences in the notebook, and in this case, you just need to write true or false. So, nobody rides a bike in Oxford and Cambridge. True or false? Next to the sentence, like this, write true or false. Where is the information? In the text, in the blue text. So, nobody rides a bike in Oxford in Cambridge. It is false. All right? The same with all of them. Remember to do these 4 activities, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your notebook. And activity 6, it's speaking activity. And you have 2 questions. What sports do you like playing in your town? And describe your town. So first, you can practice doing the text in your notebook and writing the text in your notebook. And then you can record your voice. But I am going to explain the questions. What sports do you like playing in your town? Think about Cocentaina or Alcoy, where you live. And what sports do you play in your town? What sports do you like? For example, I like playing basketball and running. And the second question is describe your town. You need to describe the town. In my town, there is a cinema. There are 3 schools. There are a lot of shops, or there are some restaurants, for example. And after that, you will need to go to the speaking wall that I share with you and record your video. Here is my video. My message. So, on this video, I have explained what do you need to do in the class book. Then you will need to do activity book, but this will be a new video. Bye.